Maybe you went out with somebody. They steal your boyfriend. Edith, Edith, you take your hair. See, this is Edith. When she was 24 years old. Yeah, Nancy, you're gonna see this when you're gonna turn 65. Hello. 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 Hello, Edith. I went back to my home.
No, you go back. You were in the hotel.
Steak again instead of egg, and some chayote. Chayote. It's not soft yet. I'm still waiting. I'm so hungry. Steak. That's what I ate. I want to sleep now. That's what I like about steak. After you eat, you want to sleep. Hi, boss! Oy! Diyos ko, mangwak souvenir. O yan yung Bradley. Kenny kumako. Putang mako ko Kenny dumalan. Ining airline. Munta akong gate 133. Naning mama sa akin ni healthy. 130 to 133 ito yung gate. Ating kong gawan Kenny business. Nang kasaya. Tabalo masaya ako. Minom ko kasi kitang Pedialyte. Itang Pedialyte na leng-leng. Minom ko ba? Iso palang press leng, manyaman. Utang press sa kagawa-gawa. Masanting kaiking katawan. Durog pa king katawan. Ang utang mula-mula ako. 131 kaya. O sige na nang na. Kinkilube Airport ini Kinkilube Airport. Alapan tao, abak marano. Munta ako kini ating kong pagobran. Ating kong puntalan na dakitan ko. Palwal ko kilwal. Santing na ng airport kini.
Babak na naman yan.
Charan. Tuyo. Lulo. Then, pinalinaw na yung mga kamato. Naman dito yung charano. Oh, yan yung abiyas. Oh, yan. Ayan. Rendeng ibon na. Adwalan dosena rin eh. Wow, pabulan mong gay. Oh, ini pa yung... Oh, yan yung abiyas. Oh, yan. Oh, yan yung abiyas. Oh, yan. Adwalan dosena rin eh. Ayan. Wow, pabulan mong gay. Rendeng ibon na. Oh, adwalan dosena rin eh. Wow, pabulan mong gay. Oh, Kainin pa yung kain mo, bilang mo daw. Oh, yun.
Kamayad sila. Kamayad ko lang sila.
Oh, yun.
Kamayad sila.
Oh, yan. Yun ang kaya, short. Yan. Yan, duwa-duwa kulay. Oh. 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 Yan, itap panulo na. Sinotab. Sinotab pala. Alam din kaya na. O, ayan. Pinali ko na yung gamitin. Ayan. Rino. Limpis. Mayumi. O, ayan. Diyan palaman. Yan. Marinate. Toyo. Yan. Yan barbecue.
My birthday, my birthday. Ay, may sabi yun. Huh? Manyaman niya yan, mocha cake yan. Oops. Parang naman yun eh. Birthday ko, pero lumpia po, sana. Palapada itong.
Happy birthday to you.
Carnivore. Yan yung kanan ko mo. That's what I'm gonna eat. That's my dinner. Nothing else. This is pork. That's chicken. This is pork. This chicken. That's it right there. Barbecue. Deep ribs and chicken.